With TikTok Shop Affiliate, you can set a commission on your product, placing it in the marketplace for creators to see and choose to promote it. Creators will see how much they can earn, as well as the customer retail price. Let's look at the Astronaut Light Projector, a product sold on TikTok Shop that went viral through creators promoting it in their videos. Now, they're not all selling this product. They take a listing from the marketplace and promote it on their own account. This feature allowed a wave of creators to buy the product, make a video reviewing it, and tag it in their videos to promote it. Within a few weeks, one listing sold over 50,000 units. The power of collective affiliate marketing is insane. If you haven't connected your Printful account to your TikTok shop, watch this video tutorial where you'll learn how to customize Printful products, add them to your TikTok shop in just a few steps. I'll leave a link to it in the description so you can check it out. Let's start by setting an affiliate commission on the product. In your TikTok shop account, go to Products, then under Manage Products, select More and choose Set Affiliate Commission. On this window, set the commission you want to offer for any creator to make if they promote your product on their video. Be sure you set the percentage while keeping the cost of the product, your retail price, and the TikTok shop fee in mind so you can make a profit. Keep in mind that TikTok shop does take 5% of the sales as a fee at the time of making this video. The last thing you want to do is offer a commission reward greater than your profit margin. I set the retail price for this product at double the cost, so I can offer a commission between 20 and 30% and still make a decent profit. Amazing. Now your product is on the TikTok shop marketplace. You're one step closer to conquering the world, right? Now, let's go over other features like setting up samples and inviting creators from specific niches. Let's head on over to Affiliate in your TikTok shop to access the other affiliate features. Then select Get Started. Here on the homepage, you'll have quick access to creators and helpful guides. Under Collaboration, head on over to Open Collaboration. This is where you'll find products that you've set a commission for. Here you can adjust the commission rate and choose if you want to approve creators before promoting your products. Once you enable the Approve Creator option, you can change the settings for Free Sample. Hover over Not Created and an Edit button will appear. Click it to open the setting. This allows creators to request a free sample. Once you enable it, you'll be able to adjust other settings to dial down on the criteria creators have to be able to request a sample. I'll keep the default settings and select Apply to One Product to save the changes. Then select OK to confirm. Next, let's head over to Find Creators. Under Discover Creators, select Find Creators. On this page, you'll be able to find creators and invite them to promote your products. You can use these filters to narrow things down and choose from creators in your niche. Once you set up your filters, the list of creators below will refresh. In the middle, you can see how many followers they have, average video views, and the average live viewers. On the right side, you can invite them individually, favorite them, and send them a message. If you saved creators with the favorite button, you can send the bulk invitation to all your favorited creators. We'll go over that step later, so I'll favorite a few for now. Let's say you want to learn more about a creator. Click on their name. Here you can find analytics of their performance and engagement and see videos where they've promoted products. This way, you can decide if they're a suitable fit for your brand. So here in the top right corner, you can click on the TikTok logo to see their page and content. Once you're done reviewing a creator and saving the ones you wish to invite, you can view your saved creators under the Saved Creators button here. The Batch Invite button will let you send invitations to multiple creators. You can select them all with the toggle at the top of the list. Once they're selected, click on Invite. In this step, choose the product you wish for the creator to promote. You'll be able to customize the commission rate for these specific creators as well. I'll set a slightly higher rate as this will entice them to accept the invitation. In the third step, click on the drop-down and edit the details. Here on the right side, you'll see a preview of the invitation. Once you finish, select Send. Now that you've sent your invitations, you can check the status of your invites under Target Collaboration. There are two more tabs you need to know about. Sample Request lets you see creators' requests for a sample of your products, and Affiliate Orders allows you to view orders from creators' videos promotions. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Subscribe to keep up with our latest videos on TikTok Shop and everything print on demand. Bye.